Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to create and animate this logo. Hey guys, so here we are in Canva again. So to create that logo that you saw, I'm going to the search box here and I'm typing in the word logo. We're selecting a blank template, guys, to start off with. So here we have our blank template and we're going to head to elements. Now in elements, guys, you would come here in the search box and type in circle. Now here you have a lot of different circles, guys, so depending on the logos that the logo style that you're going for, then you have a lot to choose from. So for this particular one, we're going to be using this circle. So I'm going to select this by simply clicking on it. So now I'm just dragging, guys, to enlarge the circle here that I've chosen. Alright, so at this point we're just gonna add some text. So to add text, I'm pressing T on my keyboard as usual. Alright, great. So here we have the text box. I'm just dragging it to enlarge it a bit. Alright, so typing in my word now. So this is going to be lilies. You want to ensure that it is centered, guys, and you can ensure that it is centered by looking at these pink lines that you see coming up. Once they're lined up, you know, to form that T, then you know that you have it centered. Alright, so now that I have the word typed, I'm just going to change the font style. So the font style that I'm going to use is Benedict. So some of the features that you see me using in this video, guys, are available on the Pro version of Canva. So here I'm just dragging to enlarge the size of my text here. Then I'm just dragging it around, guys, to ensure that it is centered. So at this point, this is what it's looking like. So now I am going to change the color of the circle. So I go up here to color and then I just scroll down until I find the color that I'm looking for. In this case, it's pink, this pink color. So here we have it, guys. Really quick. Now at this point, I'm just gonna go about animating it. So to animate, I ensure that the page is highlighted, not the logo itself, but the page, right? And then I'm going up to animate, and the feature that I'm gonna choose is tumble. So you can see it being applied here, the tumble feature. So that's basically it, guys, for this logo, for creating and animating this logo in Canva. Let me know in the comment section if you found this video useful, if you'll be trying this out, creating a logo for yourself, and I'll respond to you. To download this to your computer, you just need to come here and click on download, and the file type is already selected. It's MP4 video in beta, so you just need to go ahead and click download and it will be downloaded to your computer and you're good to go. So that's it, guys. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comment section and I'll respond to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, guys, be on the lookout for more logo videos similar to this one, where I create other logos in Canva, so you can see, you know, a few things that you can do in Canva to create your own logo. So guys, that's it. Until my next video, I'll talk to you then. Goodbye.